So y'all, I'm tired of doing my hair in the morning. I'm tired. It's December. I want to rest. So I'm going to show you this box flat wig. This is like my 6th time installing. And it's on sale right now. So let me show you. This is the wig here, guys. Like I said, she's been installed so many times. I really need to buy a new one. And I'm probably going to order a new one. But I'm going to install this one right now. So you're going to need a wig cap. And you want to make sure that you have a dark complexion powder. And you're going to take that powder and you're going to put it all over this cap because it's transparent and you want it to look scalp-like. So you're just going to take it and add it all on this wig cap. And make sure that you have a transparent wig cap also because, come on, you want to give transparency. I know this step, same. We're going to take our glue as if we're putting on a regular lace front wig. And we're just going to put it all on the perimeter for the hairline. And then we're going to let that dry. And then we'll go ahead and come back and install the wig. We're going to go ahead and put her on. I love that she comes with the strap. Okay, so we have the strap here. That's going to make it even easier to secure this wig. So, put her on from the back. Y'all. Because I want to make sure I have the comb in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and pull her up. Where's my... Because what am I doing? Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull her up. And y'all, this part is not straight. So it is a middle part. I'm just trying to find the part and make sure it's straight. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pull her down to secure her on all sides. I'll be back. So I have it on my head. And I'm just going to take where I used that glue to make it stick. I'm just going to press it into my scalp. Make sure it's nice and flat. But y'all see that? As if I just got my hair done in 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit for a little bit. And then we'll come and do our baby hairs. But we're going to go ahead and let it sit. Make sure it's nice and secure in the back. Good. Take one of these and just lay it. We're going to let this cook for like like 10 minutes and be back. All right, so this is before me adding powder, doing my baby hairs, but and then I'll show you after. This wig can never do me wrong, y'all. Never. Because who's sitting down and getting box flats? Not y'all Shay. Period. Let me go order me another one while I'm thinking about it. Okay.